Today, we're talking about Themify, the ideal WordPress theme for beginners and web designers alike. Whether you're just starting out in the world of WordPress or already have experience as a web designer, Themify offers everything you need to create a professional and appealing website. With Themify, you don't have to be a programming expert to design an impressive website. Thanks to the intuitive page builder, you can easily add, customize, and position elements using drag and drop. This gives you full control over the layout and design of your site without having to write a single line of code. But Themify is not only user-friendly, but also incredibly versatile. With a huge selection of pre-designed layouts, designs, and widgets, you can let your creativity run wild and create a website that perfectly fits your brand or project. Whether you want to create a blog, an online store, or a portfolio site, with Themify, you have all the possibilities. Another highlight of Themify is the speed with which you can create your website. Thanks to the pre-designed elements and the simple operation, you save valuable time and can fully concentrate on the content and design. And the best part is, Themify is also responsive, which means your website looks perfect on all devices, from desktop to smartphone. But Themify has much more to offer. With the integrated SEO tool, you optimize your website for search engines and improve your chances of being found by potential customers. In addition, Themify offers a variety of customization options, so you can design your website exactly according to your ideas. And if you ever get stuck or have questions, Themify's excellent support is there to help. The dedicated team assists you with all your concerns and ensures that you are successful with your website. Whether you're a beginner just starting out in the world of WordPress or an experienced web designer looking for a powerful theme, Themify is the perfect choice. With its user-friendliness, versatility, and numerous features, it allows you to create a professional and appealing website that amazes your visitors. So what are you waiting for? Discover the possibilities of Themify now and take your website to the next level. Check out the other videos to learn more about the amazing Themify theme. Have you already had experiences with Themify? Let us know in the comments. If you liked this video, please leave a like and hit the bell to not miss any of our future videos. And if you want to learn more about Themify, visit our site createwithwp.com. There you'll find plenty of helpful tips, tricks, and tutorials on WordPress and web design. Have fun designing your website with Themify.